Assalamualaikum and welcome back to lesson 5 of Create with Canva. In today's lesson, I would like to show you how to make an end screen for your channel. For that, let's head over to Canva. Okay, so now we are here at Canva. So today I'm using Samsung Internet for using Canva. Okay, so let's start by clicking over here at Create a Design, like this. And now let's write YouTube outro, like this. And then let's click over here at YouTube outro, like this. Okay, so now we're here at designs, so you can either use these templates to use or you can make on your own. So now I'll be showing you how to make your own. So let's start by clicking on this screen first, and then click over here, and then let's change the color like this. So now I'll be changing the color to blue by click over here, like this. It's done. So now let's add some text. For adding some text, you need to click over here at text, like this. Now let's click over here at add a subheading, like this. And then let's write our text. So now I'll be writing subscribe to my YouTube channel. Done. Alrighty, it's done. So now let's put it on another side. So now I'll be putting over here on the up. So now let's add some elements. So now let's click over here at elements first. And then I'll be adding some elements. So for putting my channel icon, I'll be using this circle first, like this. And then resize it and put it on the side over here. So today I'm using a mobile device, but if you want, you can also use a computer because it'll work well. Okay, so let's change the color to white, and it's done. So now let's use another element, which is this rectangle, like this. Alright, so let's use the rectangle. Okay, so now let's turn the rectangle over like this. So now I've used this button to turn the rectangle around, like this. Alrighty, it's done. So now let's change the color to white, and it's done. So this is where your channel stays, and this is where your icon stays, or your another video stays. So this is what I recommend. So now I'll be adding another text by clicking over here at text first, and then I'll be clicking over here at add a subheading, like this. And then I'll be writing check this out, and it's done. Okay, so now I'll be putting this text over here, like this. It says check this out, or I should put over here as well. Okay, so now I'll be adding another text. I'll click over here at add a subheading. Now I'll be writing subscribe here. Alright, it's done. So now let's go over here. Now let's put our text over here. Alright, so now click over each text and then change the font. So now I'll be using this font called Balena. And then I'll be bolding. Okay, I can't bold. So now I'll be clicking over another text, like over here. And then I'll be changing the text to charm. This is like my favorite one. I'll be bolding it out so that everyone can see. So now I'll be using this charm again, like this. All done. So now let's change the text color. So for changing the text color, you need to click on every text, and then you need to click over here, like this. And then you can either choose any of these colors, or you can type in your color code over here. So now I'll be using the purple color, like this. And now I'll be clicking on another text right away, and then I'll be changing the color to green, like this. And for this one, I'll be changing the color to, so now I'll be changing the color to red, like this color. And it's done. So our end screen is ready. So now I'll be adding another element, a flower. So let's click over here to add some elements. Alright, so now I'll be adding this flower. So you can see that there are every elements in the side on the Recents tab, because I've already used them because I practiced before I've making this video. So now let me put it over here and then put it over here. Alright, so our end screen for now is done. So now let's click over here at download like this. And then let's download it as a video like this. But before that, what we need to do is to animate it out. So for animating, click on the screen and then click over here at animate. So now there are many type of effects over here. So if you are using Canva Pro, you can even use these premiums, or if you're not using Canva Pro, you can use this freeze. Alright, so now I'll be using this one called Rise by clicking over here. And then let's see how it looks like by clicking over here at play. Alright, so we can see now. Alright, so now for downloading it out, click over here at download. Now, let's click over here at download video, like this. And then click download, like this. Now it's downloading. Okay, it's downloading, loading. Okay, so we have done downloading. So as we have done downloading, we'll be clicking over here at cross. And then let's go back and see how it looks like. Okay, so let's see our end screen. So this is what our end screen looks like. So we have used the effect Rise. And I've made a 5 seconds of outro. Okay, so what we have did is we've added text, we've added 3 elements, and then we have saved it, and we've also animated it. Alright, so that's how you'll be making an end screen for your YouTube channel. And congratulations on completing the course Create with Canva. So please check the description box for your certificate. So then you'll see how it looks like. Alright, until next time, bye!